Hello friends, myself Raj Deepak Singh, and in this particular video I just want to give a short message to the students who are preparing for FCI AGM General Administration and in the field of also technical also. I just want to tell you one thing that right now what I have decided, like with respect to in the section of current affairs, what I have decided that I'm going to publish current affairs on a weekly basis. Okay, I'm going to give you best of 60 questions of current affairs on a weekly basis. Okay, it means that let's suppose if I'm going to publish for the month of April, then I'm going to give you 4 parts of that particular month. It means that in the first part I'm going to cover the first week of that April, then second week, then third week, then fourth week. Okay, because I have like a lot of appeal that I post the videos in a sequential manner, in like with respect to the months, or in a hierarchical manner, so that the students who are watching my videos have those content in a sequential manner. Okay, so what I have decided right now, that I am going to publish the video in a sequential manner. I have told you, like if suppose there is a April, तो मैं अप्रैल में 4 वीडियोस 4 पार्ट में डालूंगा, और हर एक पार्ट एक वीक को कवर करेगा, और वो हर एक वीक बेस्ट ऑफ 60 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. तो इट मींस दैट फॉर अ कंप्लीट मंथ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 240 क्वेश्चन, बेस्ट ऑफ 240 क्वेश्चन फॉर अ कंप्लीट 1 month. Okay, so this is regarding current affairs section for the FCI AGM General Administration and Technical. Okay, in the field of current affairs, general awareness. Okay, current affairs section. So so this is this video I've just made to convey this message to you, so that you can watch my videos in a sequential manner, so that whatever content you are going to get, whatever the number of questions you are going to get, you are going to get, or you have that access of the content in a hierarchical manner, in a sequential manner. Okay, ताकि आपको एक क्या बोलते हैं सोर्स मिल जाए, ताकि आप करंट अफेयर्स का आपका एक बेटर प्रिपरेशन हो जाए. मतलब लाइक बिकॉज अगर एक हायरार्की में रहेगा, एक सीक्वेंशियल में रहेगा, तो आपको वो चीज़ पढ़ने में काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा. ओके, एंड दोज करंट अफेयर्स लाइक बेस्ट ऑफ 60 आर हाईली रिकमेंडेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. लुक, FCI AGM एग्जाम लाइक कभी भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज डेट्स आर टेंटेटिव, एंड लाइक एज द कोरोना पैंडेमिक इज गोइंग टू बी एट अ लेसर पेस, it means that they are going to conduct this exam in the upcoming months for sure. So why not preparing for the current affairs right now? That is my say. Why not preparing for the current affairs from today itself? Okay, so I just want to tell you that from now onwards, I have like published a lot of current affairs video earlier also. They are like also highly recommended with respect to the exam point of view, but now I'm going to like publish freshly best of 60 with respect to the monthly current affairs like of April. Okay, in a sequential manner, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and those 4 parts represent 4 weeks of that particular month. Okay, so that you have like a better access to the current affairs. So this is it, and try to watch my videos because they are highly effective and efficient with respect to your exam point of view. Okay, and prepare well for the exam, because who knows when they are going to release the date. Okay, so be prepared earlier, so that you are not going to face any problem with respect to the exam point of view. Okay, so this is it, and lastly, for liking the channel, do subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt, try to comment in the comment section. When I'm free, I'm definitely come to your comment section, and if you're liking my videos, do like the videos and subscribe the channel. Okay, so this is it in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Raj Deepak Singh. Thank you.